Good morning, beauties. Good morning, good morning. How are you guys? Let me hope everyone is doing well. So, guys, welcome to my small business. Yeah, I'm Sal. I do make braided wigs. I do make all types of wigs. Yeah. So guys, I've just started my day. So let's get some jerry. So guys, I'm getting some jerry here. It's in here. You know, my sister makes she's a beautician. She makes baby jerrys for babies, skin care, skin lotions, cream for ladies. So she gave me this. So I'm going to take some from here. This is jelly. I'll use it when I'm braiding those wigs. So I'm going to get some. Let me put here the camera so that you can see well. Are you guys seeing? Can you guys see me well? Oh no. Yeah. So guys, this is where I'm going to put some jerry. It's like this, guys. It's guys, look. It's so soft. You like this? So I'm going to get some. Look at that. I feel like eating it. Oh my god. It looks nice. I feel like guys, let me take this back. Ooh. I'll use this one next time. So let me put it here. So this is what we have.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire.
So guys, it's time to work. But don't forget to click on that notification bell so that it can notify you whenever I post a new video, guys. You know, we have to hit 1,000 subscribers. So guys, today we have this week. We are about to finish this week. Look at it, guys. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Guys, I'm so excited to make this wig. You know, look at it, guys. Look at it. Oh my god. Look at it, guys. I can't wait to see how this wig will look. Oh my god. I can't wait. Guys. I ran out of braids, so this is what is remaining, guys. What can I do now? Please help me. What do I do? This is what I have for today. I don't know how. I don't know if it will help me to finish this week. So this is the remaining part, you know. I don't know if it will help me to finish this way. So let's see. Let's see how we go about this. Let's see. Let's see how we will So guys, I'm gonna first finish this cause it's the only one remaining. I'm gonna first finish this, then later I send my niece to get me a braid so that I can finish this wig. How do you see, guys? I'm going to send her to get me this exact color, but guys, here where I work from, these people double the price of these braids. But when I get time, I'll go to town and make some shopping, you know. So let me show you. I'm going to send her. I'm going to send her to get me some. Yeah, so guys, I love you so much. Thank you for being here with me. Thank you so much. I do really appreciate, guys. I do really appreciate. You can follow me on all our social media platforms at WIGS on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and here on YouTube. But guys, if you subscribe, make sure you click on that notification bell so that it can notify you whenever I post a new video, guys. Oh guys, let me work, let me leave you so that you can also work, huh? guys, let me work. Why don't you leave me to work, guys? You know, I have a lot to do today. Look at what I